mtazamaji, moja kwa moja hebu tulekee pale bungeni na hasa katika bunge la Seneti ambapo waziri wa masuala ya afya Bi Kariuki yuko mbele ya Seneti akizungumzia hili swala la afya kwa wote na vile vifaa vya matibabu hapa nchini. Tunakupa matukio hayo ya moja kwa moja kutoka bungeni.
I think that gentleman really said what we took him to have said. I think what he was saying is that this money may be being paid from the national treasury, but still it could be an allocation in the counties.
See, Chair, and Chair, that's why I'm requesting that you give direction.
Yeah, I wanted
on that issue, Seneta Kibiru.
Chair, I just want to say something, Chair. Yesterday, I took the opportunity to ask Governor of Kakamega whether the county has ever paid for the leasing equipment. And it is on record. They are on record that they have never paid.
Which equipment?
The leasing equipment, yes. Yeah.
It's deducted as source.
Yes.
Thank you, deducted at the source, Bana.
No, we asked them. Remember, we asked them.
Chair.
No, I'm talking about Kakamega.
Order.
Chair.
But
I'm talking about Kakamega.
No,
It's on record.
Chair.
No, I asked that question. Yes.
Chair. Chair.
Senator Omanga. Senator Omanga.
Source.
Senator Omanga.
No.
Chair.
What is that from? Can I request order, everybody.
Chair, please.
Order.
Chair.
Can we stop the mic? Order.
Chair.
Listen, everybody. I introduced this meeting by saying we are the Senate of the Republic of Kenya. Yes. We are not like any other assemblies. Yes. Now you are about to let me down. Yeah? And yet I'm willing and ready to give everybody the floor as need be, but in the best interest of this meeting and the progress for the country. So Senator Omanga, and then I will make a ruling.
Chair, as Senator Kibiru was saying, this issue is also confusing. I think even the governors don't understand, because for sure, Senator, the governor for Kakamega say that he's not aware that the funds are deducted. But the governor from Nyamira, the governor from Mombasa today morning, really confirmed that 94 million has been deducted from their kitty from 2013. But the 200 million for this year, they've not seen. But Kakamega was a bit confused and he was not aware what.
Yeah. So the point that let me persuade you.
Yeah.
That point is not relevant on what we want. It is absolutely, you are chasing a wild goose. Yeah. It is absolutely irrelevant on the questions we want to know as to how much is being used for these equipment and for what cost on what item. My friends, let's not chase the wrong thing. Yeah, let's focus on the main antelope.
Chair.
So, Honorable, I'll rule.
Chair, I'm on the antelope.
Yes.
I'm on the antelope, Chair. Yeah. Chair, that statement, Chair, is relevant. That statement is relevant to the extent that it's on record.
Agreed. But you see, yes, it's on record as a matter of interpretation from whoever said it. We don't agree as a house on it.
Yes, Chair.
And so let's leave that one there first. Let's park that one. Let's proceed. CS.
Chair, those are too many points of order. Can we move forward?
Yes, thank you, Speaker. Now I agree with you. Proceed, CS.
Thank you, Chairman. The next subsection of that response is the equipment currently in use in each of the counties, and which ones are therefore not in use.
Madam CS, on the first answer, I wanted to be sure that you are done with it. On that answer of sheet Appendix 1, it is my considered opinion on behalf of this House that the answer is incomplete. Yeah, on a date that we shall agree at the end of this presentation, the Senate would like to know, to have a proper tabulation of every county, how much money went to every item in each county. Number two, when were the equipments delivered? because to the best of our knowledge.
Na mtazamaji, hiyo ni taarifa ambayo tunazidi kuipa kipaumbele. Mwanahabari wetu pale Patrick Kamimo yuko bungeni, atakuwa anatupasha mengi zaidi baadaye, na hasa yale ambayo ameweza